We've recently helped a client in the travel industry raise capital of 500k, and I wanted to let you know the requirements, what we did, and how to do it. So, when you require investment, usually a startup or looking to grow, so that can be in a pioneering sector or that can be in a safe sector, but with a solid business plan as to how you're going to get from X to Y. So, this specific client was in the travel industry, needed 500k for a startup to fund their project to get it going. So, what do they need? They first need a pitch deck or a business plan. Now, this is going to contain the idea, the market, the offer that you can pitch to investors to say why you want the investment and how it's going to be used. To back that up, you need a cash flow forecast, which is where we come in. So the cash flow forecast, very high level, is going to contain revenue predictions. So we're going to want to see over a number of years where the business is going to go, the profit of the back of that, but more importantly, the return on investment for that investor. They're going to want to see how long it's going to take to get my money back plus profit. Finally, which is pretty critical, is if you can get an SEIS or an EIS application in. These are designed for startup businesses to attract investors. So what they do is if your company is approved for the SEIS scheme, the Seed Enterprise Investment Scheme, it allows investors to invest in your company at high tax relief percentages. So for SEIS, they were able to get 50% tax relief on that investment. So if you've got an investor with a high income tax bill, they can straight away put the cash into your business and get 50% off right on their tax bill, making it a lower risk investment for them. This application is dependent upon a few factors. So you need an advance assurance, you need a business plan, you need to have the forecast which tie in line with that. So there are a couple of criteria that needed, but once approved with HMRC, it makes investment a lot easier. So if you're in this position, you need to raise capital, you're an ambitious business, get in touch and we can help you structure this kind of flow to help get the finance you need in place.